Hello everyone, this is day 2 of the beautiful drive from Hyderabad to Kolkata. As you can see, my car is pristinely parked out in the open area. And what a view to see the parking. And I'm seeing this from my window from my hotel room. So, probably that's beautiful way I can see my car parked out here. And this is the view from the hotel. I'll go to the other side and show you the hotel. So this is a view right in the ground floor. I'll just show you the hotel which I've shown you in the last video in the night clip. So this is the view of the hotel, and I was staying on probably that room. So that's the view, and the surroundings are pretty quiet out here. So it's around 9 o'clock in the morning. So I was pretty tired last day, as you've seen in the video. I couldn't get much sleep, but right now I'll be driving. So we are starting from Vizag at 9 o'clock in the morning, and we'll be reaching to Kolkata. It will take around 12 to 14 hours, so hopefully we'll be reaching around 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock in the night. We'll be halting for lunch at Bhubaneswar and dinner at Sher Punjab Kola Ghat, because that's my favorite place. And so let's see how the journey goes. And for the fueling tips, I'll give you something once I reach to the Orissa Andhra Pradesh border. I'll tell you the tips when you're traveling into this route. What is the best tips you can do for fueling? So we have around 100 kilometers or so as the balance, and so let's see how far we go. And we'll definitely do the fueling once we cross Andhra Pradesh border and enter Orissa border. So let's start the journey. Thank you. Good morning. So this is the start of day 2. This is the stats. The car is idling right now over around 1500 rpm. We are right now at 21 kmpl and 80 km of range left. So last day, you have seen in the last vlog, we have driven 700 kilometers from Hyderabad to Vizag. Now the car settles down at 900 rpm. So we are starting today's date from almost 697 kilometers. The car odometer stands at 46934 kilometer on the way to Kolkata. So let's see how we go. From the start of the day, we are in the first toll plaza on the way to Bhubaneswar and then to Kolkata. So hopefully I'll be able to do 800 kilometers, 740 kilometers already done, and we have a range of around 70 kilometers. Of course, that's without the reserve. So this is the first toll plaza on the way to Kolkata. This is at Nathawala Sa, if I'm not wrong, I'm pronouncing it correctly. I don't know how much they will be charging it. I'll update you about this on the next toll plaza, that how much was I charged from this place. Anyways, there's no mention of how much is the rate. So take some time to scan. Anyways, just a quick update. You can see Srikakulam is around roughly 50 kilometers. Srikakulam is around 50 kilometers from here, and Vizinangam is 17 kilometers. So you can take this as a quick point to go to two of the main towns of Andhra Pradesh. This is unbelievable. I have done 800 kilometers and still it is not full tank. Once I fuel it at the next pumping station, I'll tell you how much I'm refueling. I'll tell you why I'm refueling that much. I'll update you there. This is Mandapam Toll Plaza, if I'm not wrong. Mandapam or Mandapam Toll Plaza. It's pretty huge. I don't know, I'll take that lane number 4. Yeah. So after driving around 813 kilometers from Hyderabad. We will be finally refueling, but we will be just refueling for 130 kilometers to go. Yes, you heard it right. Why 130 kilometers? That we will find out once I cross 130 kilometers. But from here, I'll be only putting approximately 6 liters of petrol for a range of 130 kilometers. That's all. Let's go in. I hardly fill from Bharat Petroleum, but we'll put it for 5 kilometers. I mean, 130 kilometers. So you can see the rate out here is 109.53. So
6 liter है ना?
we'll be putting 6 liters of petrol. You can see it's zero.
इसमें बैठी थी
खोल दो, खाली है, खाली है.
6 liter ना? बोल के नहीं रखा है क्या?
So 6 liters of petrol for 657.18. So we have filled 6 liters of petrol and we have driven 813 kilometers, 0.4 from Hyderabad to somewhere right outside Srikakulam. So let's calculate the mileage which we have put. You can see 35.85 liters and we have driven 813 kilometers, 0.4. So if we put 813.4 35.85, so the mileage comes up to us whooping 22.68. It's 22.7 kilometers per liter mileage. And now we'll be driving for 136 kilometers. After that we'll be refueling once again. I'll tell you why. 55 kilometers since refueling we have done, and we are at total of 868 kilometers, and we are at the next toll plaza, which will be around 150 rupees. This is the toll plaza. This is Lakshmipuram toll plaza. See Lakshmipuram. I went a bit too far ahead. Anyways, let's go. Yeah. So we are at the next toll plaza, roughly around 30 kilometers from Brahmapur, which is most probably this is the last toll plaza before we exit Andhra Pradesh. This is also a 120 rupees toll plaza, and ideally this should be the last before we enter Orissa. This is Karapadu toll plaza. Since the rush refueling, I mean this mileage has gone crazy. I have done 114 kilometers since rush refueling and 928 kilometers approximately, and we have just reached the border of Orissa and Andhra Pradesh. And once you enter here, the first thing you see is the HPCL Orissa petrol pump. This is the first petrol pump of Orissa once you cross the border. You can see it's clearly written Orissa pump. So we are entering here right now, and why we are going to fill from here, you just get to know once we enter. By the way, this petrol pump is probably the newest petrol pump being built, because earlier this was not there, and this is opened very newly. So just wait for the rate what I get. So Our home is around 630 kilometers, 640 from here. I'm going to put 30 liters of petrol. Lock कर दो खाली है. हाँ, lock. 0. Lock कर दो इसको. This petrol pump is actually opened 4 months back. This was not before. So whenever you are traveling now from towards Kolkata side, this is the first petrol pump when you enter the Odisha border. It's opened just 4 months before. The rate is so cheap out here. It's 102.56 and 30 liters of petrol comes only by 3077. 30 liters of petrol, and with this we'll be reaching to our home. This is the famous Chilka Lake in Orissa, and the view is just spectacular when you go, especially from Hyderabad to Kolkata side. Then you get this view. I'll tell you why. Because if you look there, I'll zoom in. You see the truck coming from there. That is the route from where when you are coming in. I mean, when you go from Kolkata to Vizag, then that is the way you come in. Just show you how my car is looking, by the way. It is looking so good with this backdrop. So we're just halting at this place. It's looking really good. I'll be halting for a lunch in a while, and then I'll give you more updates on that. See the tires in the truck. Anyways, these are huge tires, probably for some commercial purpose. We are at the next toll gate. This would be for 100 rupees, and this is the first toll after we entered Odisha. So let's enter. This is for 100 rupees. But I don't think there is any toll. I'm not so sure about this. I don't think there is any toll as such. No, it's a invalid toll. This is no toll. This is free. This is something unbelievable. You can see it's 23.6 kmpl. I mean, this is literally crazy. It's rising up to 23.7. I don't know where will I be stopping by the time I reach Kolkata. So by the way, we are here on the next toll, and it's almost evening time. Just a few odd speed breakers. This is called Guripada Toll Plaza. I guess there is some issue with the system. Anyways, we're off from here. It's almost in the evening time. It's going to be 5 o'clock in the evening. And just a quick update that we'll be reaching Kolkata in our home somewhere around 2:30 to 3 o'clock in the night. So just a short break before we continue to the night drive, because it's important that we clear our glasses. We'll be reaching somewhere around 2:30, 3 o'clock in the midnight, post midnight basically. So it's important that we finally now take off the glasses, make sure that the car is perfectly ready. I am perfectly acclimatized with the night driving. So hopefully we'll continue the journey, and I don't know where will the mileage be stopping at the end of the trip. It might reach 25 kmpl, I don't know, but let's see. Okay guys, so this is 23.9 kilometer, astounding mileage. I think I'll be crossing 24 kmpl in a while. So we are almost at the exit of Cuttack, so at the verge of going out of Odisha very soon. So we are in the next toll gate, and this is approximately a 150 rupees toll gate, which we'll be crossing in a while. This is the toll gate. I don't know, it looks a bit confusing at the first, which lane to go, which lane not to go. That bit confusing. I can go like this.
वाले एरिया में तो बहुत लोग यहाँ पे 2600 के टोल लगे, 2600-2700 के।
So it's 150 ka toll. This is. So this is mostly night, so I won't be able to show much. Apart from that, what I can update you about the toll. So I'm continuing the journey, and I'll show you next once I make it 24 kmpl. This is the mileage right now. It's 24.1, and we are at the toll gate once again. This is another toll gate. Probably this is first or the second last toll gate of Orissa. The current range is around 451 kilometers. We have done close to 300 kilometers post the refilling, and overall I've done 1225 kilometers. This looks like a bit congested toll gate. Let's try to be moving fast from this lane. That's the only lane I see which is a bit empty, which I can move that bit fast compared to the other toll gates. Sorry for that lens flare, can't help it. So meanwhile, while we go to that queue, let me just update. You can see is almost 300 kilometers and 1224 kilometers out here with the complete journey. Bang. I don't know what's the toll for this because it's nowhere mentioned. There are certain toll gates where sadly it's not mentioned, but the mileage is going crazy. 24.1. I don't know I'll be able to do 25 or not. This is Bhagada Narayanpur. Probably few of the last tolls from Orissa side. I'm sorry the visibility is very bad due to the fog outside. But right now the stats on my screen are quite clear. So maintaining a 24 to 24.1 kmpl mileage, and it's a range of 370 kilometers, and I've completed 376 kilometers. The previous toll was something around 150 if I'm not wrong. This looks like I mean I don't know, is this a real toll plaza or a fake toll plaza? I don't know. The FASTags works, but it doesn't look, you know, legit enough. So 375 kilometers of range left, and if you can see, it's almost done in the half tank, and that's pretty much the same as I was getting earlier as well. Half tank, 375 kilometers, that makes almost 700 kilometers. That too, this time I just filled only 30 liters of petrol. Need to be mindful of that. Range is around 298 kilometers still I have, and I've completed 445 kilometers since refueling. This is a 70 rupees probably a toll gate. That's the toll gate. Ideally this should be the first toll gate once we are entering West Bengal. It's a pretty small toll gate, but fair enough. How much is the cost? It's 80 rupees. Estimated to reach around 3 o'clock in the morning, and I have a range of 300 kilometers, but definitely I'm not going to use this 300 kilometers. So thanks to the stupendous mileage, I'll update you once I reach Kharagpur. Almost 500 kilometers update since we refueled. We are almost on the verge of reaching Kharagpur. After that it would be Kolaghat, and since I started, I've done close to 1425 kilometers. This toll gate is just before you are entering Kharagpur. Can't help, but this is the picture quality I can get the best for you. This is a 100 rupees toll gate before entering Kharagpur. Hopefully we'll be reaching Kharagpur somewhere around the midnight, and provided after that it would be 12:30 AM almost for reaching Kolaghat. So we crossed Kharagpur, and this is around 12:10, 12:15 AM in the night. The mileage has pumped up to once again 24.1. It's hovering between 24 and 24.1, and we are at the next toll gate. I guess before we reach home there should be a couple of more, and since refueling, this is 531 kilometers, and this is the toll gate, which should be around something 60 or 80 rupees or so. Didn't quite get it. What's the price? But it should be something like that. Timing are quite perfect till now. With break, we'll be halting at Kolaghat. So with break, should be reaching home around 3:30 at the night. The toll gate's open, and we're gonna go. I guess we'll be reaching Kolaghat in next 20 minutes or so. So just few more kilometers to reach home, but there is insane traffic as per Google Map. I don't know what time I'll be reaching. This is another toll gate. So see the conditions of the gates. Seriously. Looks age-old traffic gates. I think we used to come here. Actually, this is, I guess, this is the Dankuni Toll Plaza, if I'm not wrong. I'm not so sure, but I guess this is the Dankuni Toll Plaza, because we used to come here for the Sunday morning drives of supercars and super bikes. So I guess this is the last toll plaza which I had to pay for entering Kolkata, and this ideally should be the Dankuni Toll Plaza. I'm not so sure about this. Finally, we are in Kolkata. I won't be able to show you Dakshineshwar temple from here at night, but yes, who are from Kolkata, they know Dakshineshwar temple is on the left hand side, and we are at the Bali bridge, or so called as Dakshineshwar bridge. Just few minutes to go to reach my home. I'll be on time at sharp 3 o'clock. A bit of traffic, bit means a bit long of traffic between the trucks and all. So the mileage dropped into 23.9, and finally, as I told you, it's 3 o'clock in the night, and I am entering my home in Kolkata. So thank you so much for watching this vlog. I'll just give you the stat updates as soon as I reach. This is my home, and I am here. My dad is standing there. So that's the update. So I'll just give you a quick update on this. Thank you for watching this video. So it's exactly 1570 kilometers from the start from Hyderabad, and total mileage I'll tell you once I enter home. And since refueling for the last time, I have done 642 kilometers. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. I'll put the final updates as soon as I reach home. I mean, enter the home, and then we'll close the vlog. Thank you. So the final update is I got a whopping 23.43, that's 23.5 kmpl. How I got it, let me just explain you. I still have around 70 kilometers to 80 kilometers of range left, which means approximately 4 to 5 liters of petrol is still left, if not less or more. I have used 72 liters of petrol, 71.85 to 72. So if I have minus 5 liters from there, so it's 67. So it's 1570 divided by 67. If you do, it's 23.43. So it's almost 23.5 kmpl. That's the mileage I've got. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this. And this was my last video with my beloved 2016 Baleno. And I'll be sharing my thoughts on my journey for the last 9 years. And make sure you watch the next video, because the next video will be the PDI of my new car, and post that the delivery and the all upcoming videos of my new car. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.